Today, I'm going to do this session mainly aiming for the mechanical engineering students in the SLIT engineering faculty. That is to showcase about the ASME database and also about the other resources available through the library. So this is my content. I'm going to talk about the ASME, that is American Society of Mechanical Engineering database, and also the content in the ASME, that is about the e-journals, e-books, and other resources available through the ASME. And also I will talk about how to use these materials or use these resources on and off the campus. So when you are in the campus, or how to use them when you are inside the campus, also how to use them when you are out of the campus. And also I'm going to tell you about the referencing and plagiarism. That is very much important when you are doing your course as a mechanical engineering course when you are at SLIT. So I'm going to talk about this referencing and plagiarism also. And also I'm going to tell you about finally, I'm going to tell you about the library team assistance, which we are there to help you at any time, and how to get that team assistance I will brief you. And also very briefly I will tell you the facilities you have through the library for your research, that is we call as research guide. So this is the content of my today's session. And so first I'm going to tell you about smart searching through the library website. So I will lively go to the library website. Hope you can see the library website. Yes, this is the live website. To log into the library, I know all of you know the login credentials, that is the library.slit.lk. So when you go to the library site, you will see in this yellow color bar all the databases library have subscribed, and also the ebooks which we have subscribed. So from here you can access the ASME database, or otherwise this icon is also here. So when you just click on the ASME icon, you will go to the ASME database, right? So when you go to the ASME database, that it will show you that it is brought to you by SLIT. So that means that you have connected to the SLIT library, the ASME database subscribed by the SLIT library. Right. So now let's see how this is when you are inside the campus. You can just go there and click that. So let's see how you can access this when you are out of the campus. So when you are out of the campus, you have to go to the remote login and get the access. So in the remote login, under the quick links, there will be an icon here called VPN access. As I am today, I'm in doing this session inside the campus, so it will not show you. So I will go to the presentation again, and I will show you how to access, how to get the remote access under the quick links. So let me go to the presentation, and yes. Hope you can see the screen. So you will see that now all this yellow color bar, you will see the e-journals and the e-books, and under the quick links you will see the VPN access, right? So when you click on that, they will it will ask for the user credential. So the user credentials, you have to use it here as your domain login. It is your student registration number and password for your SLIT email. So I know that you are very much familiar with this user login, because now you have used this user login for to access the scope and other materials, other educational materials. So this is the username and password you have to get it. So when you log in there, you will come to a screen like this, right? So this is where the these are the icons. You will see that access to library materials. So you will see that Science Direct, Wiley eBooks, Taylor and Francis books, Pearson books, all these are available. And also the ASME database is also there. So if you want to log into the ASME database, you just click on that and then you will come to the ASME database. So this is how you have to log into the ASME databases when or the other library material when you are out of the campus. So let's go to the ASME database now, and I'm going to tell you about the how to access and how to get information through this ASME database. So you will see that all the information are available here in topics here, and also when you go down, you will see the browse all journals, right? So from that also you can access journal cover page is also there. And again, when you, if you, you can from here also, you can see what are the available resources here. So you will see journals, right? And also you, if you are in, if you know a type of a journal, you can select that type of the journal and you can access it. So as the starting point, as we don't know anything about particular journal, so at this time it is better to use the all journals, right? So all journals you can browse from here, or otherwise you can use a search term, a keyword here, and search something, because you may be doing your project in a particular subject. So better to use a keyword here. So as an example, I will use mechanical vibration. Then I will search. So you will see under the mechanical vibration, there are about 30,990 searches available, articles available. So first 20 is available here, right? So this green color right mark means that you can access the full text of this article. So under one keyword, you will see that there are many resources available for you. So to filter this, to minimize this search, because you can't go through all this information, you may need some particular information. So you can go to this advanced search mode, and you will see out of this 30,990 articles, 2 journals are there, journal articles are there, 30,000 journal articles, 886 images, and out of that, 5,880 articles are there out of the Journal of Applied Mechanics, right? And 2,404 articles are there under the mechanical vibration on the Journal of Manufacturing Science and Engineering. So like that, you can locate the journal also from here. You can minimize, filter whatever the journal if you want. And also you will see that there are topics also of vibration. I will go to the topic collection later on. So there are many topics related to that, this mechanical vibration. And also you can filter it according to the year. So you can filter it according to first 2020 to today 24. So when you apply this, you will see that that was minimized to 5,859 results. So like that, you can minimize it and you can get the information, right? So this is this ASME database is giving you many privileges for your lessons and for your research. So when you click on this is a full text article. When you click on this, it will show you all the details of the article. You will see all the details of the article here, and the abstract is also there. And also when you go down, the introduction, everything is there. You can just download the full text of this article, right? And at the same time, it will show you this side, it will show you, it is in the volume 10, issue 10 of this journal. This is the journal Micro Nano Manufacturing, Journal of Micro Nano Manufacturing. This is the journal. And also it will show you in this article what is there. The content is there. So it will show you in the same screen, it will show you the abstract, and also it will show you the content of the this article. And also it will show you where it is cited. You know, when you are selecting an article, it should be a scholarly article. So this is cited. So this article has been cited in the Google Scholar. And also it will show you what are the latest articles related to this subject, right? And also most read articles also available here. And also most cited articles also, related articles also showed here. We call them as you are directing to metadata. So this is very much important when you are doing your research, because it will not showing you the whatever that you are searching, but it will direct you to more resources which help you to develop your search. So this is why it is really important to use such type of database. And when you check for updates, normally when you are searching articles for your research or your project, it should be a trustworthy articles or the current articles. So when you click on this, you will see that it is the DOI number. DOI number means that is the digital objective identifier number, and also it's published in the Crossref. So it says that the document is current. So that means that this is a good journal, current article. So this is how you can select your journal articles, right? And also, when this is about the journal, so there are many, you can search by issues. There are many issues available here. So you can select the year, volume, and search by that. Or otherwise, you can see all the years by, otherwise you can search by keyword, or search by article name, or search by author. So that is about the journal. And other than that, we have actually 33 journals related to chemical engineering. You have the access, and also if you wanted to, if you see this green color mark, that means that you can access the full text. And let me open one of these articles. Okay. And you can direct to the related articles, and also related chapters also. So there are many information available here through this article. And also you can get the figures, drawings, also you can see it, and you can select them, and you can even copy it to your project report or your research report. But remember, when you get it and copy it, you have to mention it in your paper that this is you have taken it out from this journal article. So that is, we call that you have to show your referencing. It is really important, right? So other than the journals, you have conference proceedings. right? So conference proceedings also, the conference proceedings are, we don't get full conference proceedings. It is limited, but if you find whatever you are looking not available in the through this site, please contact the library. Library can help you to get that conference proceeding. So here, when you go to the conference proceedings, you will see all the information about the conferences. And also you can search it from here, or you can browse by series or browse by subject category. So there are subjects available here. You can browse by subject category. So you will see that many subjects categories are here. You can browse by year, and also you can browse by topic collection, right? So there are many ways of searching them. So we'll go to the conference proceedings, and when you go down, so here you will see ASME 2023 conferences by subject category. This is very important. This is 2023 conference proceedings that is going to come coming within this year. And you can, according to your subjects, you can search it, right? So as an example, we will see that materials and manufacturing. So material and manufacturing, you go here and you type MME. You will see under materials and manufacturing, there are 242 results are there. So all these conference proceeding articles, when you see this cart, that green color right mark means you have access to all the materials. You can download full text. But here, when you see this cart sign, this is you have to purchase it. So it is not coming under the subscription of Street. So at this time, you can contact the library. So we have connections with other libraries, and we can get it to you under interlibrary loans, right? So this is about the conference proceedings. And the other one is very important one, that is about the e-books. We have full access to e-books, ASME e-books. So this is the ebooks platform. So there are many ebooks available here. You will see that newly added ebooks here, and also the subject oriented ebooks are also here. So here also, if you know a book, you can search by the title. So here also you can browse by the title, or browse by the subject, or also browse by the year. This is for authors, mean that is when you wanted to publish something, there are instructions for authors, right? So we will search ebook, mechanical drawings. So better to search through the keywords. So when you search that mechanical drawing keyword, you will see that there are 1,330 books and book chapters are available. So you have 1,330 e-books available here. So out of that, 222 e-books are available, and 1,108 each e-book chapters are available. So this green color marks means that you can access all that, right? So when you go down, you can minimize it. So there are many things available here. You can minimize, filter it. And also this is, that green color right mark means available. And this is red color unlock padlock means it is open access, and green color unlock padlock means public access. So you can access all these other than the full text of this card mark. So that if you come across a card mark, it is the time, if it is if it is you need it, please contact the library, we can help you, right? So from here, you can minimize it to ebooks. You will, under these mechanical drawings, we have 222 ebooks available. You will see the ebooks cover page and also the details of the book. So we will, as an example, we will open this. So you will see the description of the book. So you can access all the chapters here. So all the green mark is here. So you can download any of these chapters. So I have opened up the chapter 4. So you will see the chapter 4, and also it will show you the related chapters. So you are directing to metadata. So you can download the full chapter here. Right? So these are the facilities you have under ebooks. And also you have, if you want to, because I have always get the mechanicals, we'll see mechatronics. So under mechatronics, you will see that there's a book chapter here. Yeah, under mechatronics, you will see one chapter. So that is also, it is available here. Likewise, you can search anything. You can search anything through this. If you have a problem, please contact the library. Library can help you. So that is about the ebooks. Then there are standards. You know that when you are doing your engineering work, that there are standards you have to follow up. So your teacher will recommended standards. So we also have through the ASME, we have limited access to ASME standards. So if you wanted anything, please contact the library. So library can help you with the standards. So there are many titles of standards. So when you click on that, you can get the information. But standards also limited. So that is why I wanted you to contact the library to get the standards. Right. So, and also you have a digital collection. ASME digital collection. This is about the COVID-19 resources and also the new contents. And the other one, interesting one, is about this topic collection. So there are topics mentioned here. Under that topics, there are many information available. So if you have an interested topic for your research, you can just click that and get all the information related to that topic. So as an example, we will go fluids engineering. Okay, so you will see that under the topic fluid engineering, you get 95,000 odd articles here, right? So this is very useful for you. You have many selections here. So you just click on that. This is a mixed one. So under here, you will see 45,000 journal articles, 759 ebooks, and 49,000 proceeding papers, right? So under that also they have categorized to subjects, design and manufacturing 32, energy and power 158, likewise. So you can filter your search using any of these filters. So that is about the topic collection. Conference proceedings I have spoke to you, and I have mentioned about the ebooks and standards topic collection, and the other one is resources. So this is about the ASME and about the authors and frequently asked questions. And if you wanted to contact them, you can contact them. But as the Strict Library has subscribed it, if you have any questions, you can contact me. So library can get you the whatever you want. We can contact the ASME head office and give you the reply or resolve your problems. So this is about the purchasing, that is for the librarians. We can get the usage and all the information through this resource platform. So that is about the ASME. ASME, and if you want further assistance, feel free to contact the library. And now I'm going to tell you about the other resources available for you through the library website. So as I said earlier, we have other access to other e-books and e-journals. So as in mechanical engineering, you can access the IEEE database also. Through the IEEE database, this is all the same way. If you access through the out of the campus, you have to go to the remote access mode, that is VPN access mode, and you can directly access the IEEE from home. So IEEE is also very reputed database. So through this also you can. So you, when I just wanted to know about robotics, you will see that many articles are coming under that. So you will see under robotics, 174,000 results showing here. And so you can minimize it. If you want only the books, you can minimize it to that. Or if you want journals, you can minimize it to that. Or standards, there are 15 standards. So like that, you can minimize it. So we will just go to the books and you just apply. So you will see 733 books available, right? So this unlock padlock means that is we are not having the access to that those e-books. So this is the time you have to request it through the library, because the library have subscription to journals. So some journals, some ebooks, we don't have access to that. So when you search robotics journal articles, you will see, I just wanted to show you these access icons. So if you see the green color unlock padlock, that means you can download the full text. But if you see the red color padlock, that means you have not full access to that, right? So anyway, you can see the abstract, and also you can minimize your search by using this time range, and also these icons like icons of if you want conference magazines and ebooks like that, you can filter your search. So that is that is from the IEEE, and also you have Science Direct. So here also you can search so when you search mechatronics, we will see 18 publications are there. So we want books, So under the books, we have 16 books. So here also you will see the name of the institution. So you can just click on one book and you will see the cover page of the book, and also you will see the abstract. And when you go down with green color, this dot, this means that you can download the full text here, download the full text. So like that, there are many facilities available through the library website. I'm not going to go in detail to the other ebooks also. So there are many related ebooks. So if you want, you don't have to go to any each and every ebooks. When you want to search the ebooks, you go here. This is the access to the library catalog. So here you can search. So you will see that 3 ebooks are there under the mechatronics, and hard copies, 7 hard copies are there under the under this. So if it is a hard copy, before coming to the library also you can reserve that hard copy, right? So if it is a ebook, from here you can read it. So if you're out of the campus, they will ask for a login, and you have to use that domain login and you can read it, right? So that is about the library search through this library search catalog. So, and at the same time, we have many resources available through the digital library. This digital library located in the course web. So you can, from the library website, when you click the digital library here, you can go to the digital library. They will ask the login, use your domain login. So under the digital library, you will see this teacher guided e-resources, right? So there are many e-books available. So under Faculty of Engineering, there are many books available here, so you can search whatever you want. So you will see many books available under the mechanical engineering, right? Materials engineering, mechanical engineering. So when you click on this book will be downloaded here. So you will see that it is downloading. The cover page is also there. So you can download the full text. So they will ask a user login. Every time we want to know whether the correct person is using this, because this is for only for the strict students. So they will ask for the user login. You have to use your user credentials, right? So, and at the same time, we have open access resources. Under the open access e-resources also, we have resources available here, right? So this is also very much useful for you. I'm not going to go for details because of the time limit. And also, there are many e-magazine past papers available. I think you know about all this. So under the educational resources, you have we have mentioned the referencing styles. So you can collect all the information using these e-books, e-journals, and the databases and all that for your project report or for your research. So after you do this, search this and get information, at the end of your paper, you have to mention that from where you have get it. So for that, there are referencing management tools called Mendeley, or the EndNote. So the Mendeley also, the how to use these referencing management tools. Mendeley is also, we have done a webinar, and this it is available under the strict video resources. So you can go there and get the information from that. And also these referencing styles information are available here. So as mechanical engineering students, you have to use the Harvard referencing styles. Your lecturer will tell you what is the referencing style you have to use. That in these referencing styles, all the information are available here. How to prepare your referencing. All the details are available here, right? So Harvard reference list, citations, and so how to prepare that, you have to prepare it, last name, first initial, then the title. So all the details are available here in this referencing style. And all these information are very useful for you. So it will show you how to cite the DVD or video film or emails. So all these information are available here under the referencing styles, right? So the other important thing about the Turnitin plagiarism detective tool. So if you are a second year upward student, you can get the account created for Turnitin. So I will now go to my presentation. Okay. Hope you can see the presentation. Yes. So in the library website, in front page, you can get the Turnitin icon here. You can just click that and you will direct to the Turnitin site. And when you all your teachers are having Turnitin accounts, Turnitin instructor accounts. As if you are second year upward students, you can you can request the library to give you the Turnitin account access. So then you can upload your paper and you can see how much you have copied, right? So if you copied from other resources, that means your lecturers can see it. And before that, you can upload your paper and you can see it. So this, as an example, this paper is 90% copied, and it will show you from where it is copied, right? So to get the access, you go to the digital library, this Turnitin access, and then you will see there are two forms available, one for the undergraduate students and one for the postgraduate students. So you click on the undergraduate form, and there will be a form available here, and you just put your details, and when you submit it to the library will set up the account for you, right? When the library set up the account, you will get an email. Please use the strict email address, because we are not giving create the account for your other email addresses. You have to use the strict email address, and then you will get an email from the Turnitin, not from the library, from the Turnitin, saying that you have asking you to set up your account, right? So when you click on that, they will ask for an email address. Please use your strict email address. Then the next step is they will ask about your name, and also they will ask to create a password, right? So this is very easy. We will send you the guide also. So they will ask to create your password. Once you create the password, you have to log into there. You just log in there, and then the very first time they will ask many questions. That is, you have to give some forget password information. That is, some questions you have to answer, and you have to agree to their terms and conditions. And once you do this, you will go to this class, right? So if you are a fourth year student, you will direct to the fourth year class. If you are a second year student, you will direct to the second year class. And once you go there, you can submit, you will see the submit icon here. You can click on that. You can submit the paper. So when you before you submit the paper, they will ask for a single file upload or the option of single file upload. Select the single file upload and put your name, and they will ask for from where you are uploading. You can choose from the computer onwards or from Dropbox or like that. You can select whatever and you can upload the paper. And so once you upload the paper, they will ask for the confirmation. So before confirm it, just check your name is there, your assignment title is there, and then confirm it. After you confirm it, you will get a receipt. Right? So it says that congratulations, your submission is complete. So all that information is available here. And at this time, it is done. You have uploaded your paper correctly, and now you can see your results. Then click this return to assignment list icon. So once you go there, you will see that in blue color marks means no copy. But if you see the green color, red color mark, that means that you have more copied information. So that means 81% this is copied. And if it is green color, it is okay, only 6% copied. So you can view the details. Go to the view button here and you can view it. And you will see that all this information here. And also you can view it, filter it. So this is at the moment 81% copied. So you can use this filtering and you can exclude quotes, bibliography. And once you exclude quotes and bibliography, it has come to the 53%. But if you have copied from other sources, you can correct your assignment. So after you done the corrections, you can upload it again, right? So there are 3 times you can resubmit. So correct your information. Don't try to delete it when you see it's 80% copied or red color copied mark comes. Don't get panic. Just try once again. You correct your information, correct your paper with the comparing to the information given here, and you can resubmit, right? So you can resubmit. So you can resubmit for 3 times. So if you use more than 3 times, it will stuck and it will give you, you have to wait 24 hours to give the results. So there are 3 resubmission is available. So leisurely do your report again and you can resubmit. So that is about the submitting by yourself. And also sometimes there are incidents we experience that students tend to go to the outside places and try to upload your papers and see before submitting it to the SLIT. Don't do like that, because it is very safer to upload your paper through the SLIT library Turnitin account. Because sometimes when you submitting a paper, there's an option called no repository. So in the library created classes, we always keep this no repository as a mandatory default option. But sometimes when you try to get it from some other places or some other university friends, so they may forget to put this no repository. So then The second time you come here and upload it, it will show you that because it will deposit it to the Turnitin head office, Turnitin main repository. So at that time, when the second time you upload the paper, it will show that 100% copy. So at this point, please come to the library and contact the library and tell us the truth, saying that where you have previously done this. If not, it is very difficult to trace this. If at this point we have to write to the Turnitin head office and get the help from them to delete it. So without going to all these details, please use the strict submission accounts and do it, because we always do this no repository as a mandatory option. So that is about the Turnitin plagiarism tool and the referencing. Now, finally, I'm going to tell you about the library team assistance. So library team is there at always with you. We are 24/7 hours available through the chat room. So you can access to the library by using library.m@strict.lk, or there's a help desk here. You can register for this help desk. We will individually consult you and help you with your problem. If not, we have the Ask Librarian site here. You can contact through that. Please place your email address, strict email address, and type your question and send it to me. So this is directly come to the librarian, so I can help you at any time, right?